Welcome to AdisInsight, a database for drug research and development, disease treatment and decision-making, based on scientifically sound data. In this video, you'll learn how to use the filter functionality that will allow you to further refine your search results. For this example, let's create a mechanism of action search for beta blockers. This brings us to the Search Results page for the Drugs tab. The menu on the left allows you to further refine your search by adding additional criteria to your search strategy. By clicking on the plus sign to the left of each category, you will open up the menu to display the first 5 results. Selecting the See All link allows you to view the entire list of relevant filters based on your search. We can see here that by selecting Drug Class, you can scroll through the list of related drug classes and select Small Molecules. Or you can begin typing heart failure therapies in the search bar. Once you make your selections, click Apply. You can then see that your drug results have been narrowed down from the initial universe of 149. The filters appear in orange to provide an easy visual view of any additions applied. You can also open the Other option and add a filter for New Molecular Entity to our search, which reduces our results set even further. If you ever need to see all of the filters you've applied, along with the original search you entered, you can select the Show Query link. From here, you can remove any unwanted filters or reset your filters altogether. The filters for each tab are based on the content set you are viewing. When we navigate to the Clinical Trials tab, the menu options differ from the Drugs tab because they're based on clinical trials content. For example, you can select from options like Trial Focus or Subject Age. For the safety reports, we might want to limit our results to only return those tagged as First Report. For deals, we might want to refine by deal type. And for patents, we can filter by claim type and applicant to limit our result set. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn how you can maximize your AdisInsight subscription.